Here is the normal routine for many that are looking to make money trading online, but many times it leads you down the wrong path. Find a trading system, check online trading reviews of the method, jump right in trading with real money. There's nothing that leads potential traders down the wrong path more than buying into the hype that most review sites use to make a sale. And I want to cover some red flags to look for that suggest you should ignore the review and not use any link on their website for a purchase. These red flags will cover any type of review site, such as a broker review, online trading software, day trading courses, and even those that focus on trading signals. Remember, nothing is off limits to marketers, and they will resort to exaggerations to downright dishonesty to get you to click their links, because it's all about the money. Every time you click their link, you get cookied, which places a small file on your computer. This file contains information that includes the affiliate code for the marketer. If you purchase, they get a commission. Oftentimes, these cookies will not overwrite, so if you visit multiple sites and decide to purchase from the last website, the first cookie gets the commission. You can now see why it's in the interest of the marketer to hype as much as possible, because they want the cookie. They get paid while you waste time and money on a method, course, or trading software that's mediocre at best. Trading review websites. These websites are easy to spot as they'll list virtually every system or trading course that's available. As soon as a new product is released, these people will post up a page highlighting the offering. And I think many of these sites featured Forex trading systems because Forex exploded as a market that's available to the average trader. A lot of money was pumped into flogging Forex systems, which made it very mainstream for those looking to trade. This allowed marketers to ride the bandwagon as Forex became a household name. Right now, using the term Forex trading, marketers are paying $22 per click through Google AdWords. So you can see why they will hype their product out of the realm of reality as they need to recoup this investment. So where do they get all this information about what they advertised? Each product has an affiliate page that highlights sales points about the product. This sales copy is designed to pique your interest enough to click through to the vendor's website. You are very rarely reading first-hand knowledge about the product. 99% of the time, the people behind this website are not traders. 99% of the time, they don't even own the product. Here's a quick rundown on how they put their sales page together. They read the affiliate information, read the sales copy on the website, reword the sales copy, build their own sales pages, post up a few pictures or banners from the websites. So as you can see, just about anybody can put together a review site featuring many types of trading related products. You'd be better just closing your browser than wasting your time on these sites. These marketers are simply tossing up trading websites and pages and hoping one sticks in the search engine rankings. Some websites will use a pop-up when you close your browser, which will place a cookie on your computer passively. If this occurs, simply empty your cache on your browser. Remove this type of marketing. AnyProductReview.com. These are more refined type of review sites. However, they're usually just as useless as the first one I listed. These sites will focus on one product and make several posts about it. Again, most of the posts are useless, and it gives you absolutely nothing to allow you to make an educated choice on the product. So I'm going to walk through a website giving online reviews about the NetPicks Trend Jumper. To call it a trading review, it's a stretch, and you'll soon see why. So reading this as a consumer, I'm expecting a full review featuring the strategy in action with first-hand knowledge. With this, I can read this on the website for the Trend Jumper, so I learn nothing new here. This is just general information which can apply to almost any trading system or method, but it sounds good. So they like the system, and they even say it's simple to use, but my question is, how do they know? There's no screenshots of the system on the chart. There's no video of them using it. There's absolutely nothing to show they've done anything but read about Trend Jumper, and then they just expanded on the points. So how can this be called a review? It can't. A review of anything should be by someone who's tested the product. Interesting enough, Google has ranked this site high, which just goes to show you even Google can be wrong. What about broker comparison websites? Now, if a website's simply listing broker reviews and then comparing them, I don't find that to be much of an issue, because it's time-consuming researching different brokers, so it is nice to have many listed in one area. It's difficult to hype a broker because as a trader, besides the margins and initial deposits, you're probably concerned with customer service. The only way to get a proper opinion on their service is to do it yourself. Call them up, email them. As well, brokers are now facing stiff regulations, which is a lot different than a guarantee offered by a trading product sold through a ClickBank. Regulations equal government, so you do have some pretty heavy backup in case you experience unscrupulous behavior. Now, the drawback to these review websites is you may only get a list of brokers that have a introducing broker program where you signing up will equal a payday for the website owner. You may not be getting the best broker for yourself, so ensure you do further online research for brokers that are not listed. Powerful phrases. Recently I saw a website that listed the top converting words to use in sales copy. They were broken down into intentions, meaning how they wanted the customer to feel. And there are words used in trading reviews to imply scarcity, like only 100 available, or to make you feel safe by using words like proven. Making you feel like you're getting involved in something exclusive by saying, become an insider. Or using influential words like revolutionary. You get the picture. And you've probably seen these used in some form. Now, this list actually had over 150 words that are proven to be effective in getting people to read the copy and or click links. Now, many trading reviews you see online will use words to evoke emotion, imply that you're getting let in on a big trading secret. Some will suggest leaked information or a guru has broken open the code to make the markets your personal ATM. They will utilize huge headlines and bold copy to get their points across. Watch out for words implying your losses will be few and far between, because that's just not the reality. There are no secrets in trading. Now, many of the best trading sites will tell you that trading is hard work and it's a constant battle of emotions. Most trading reviews you read online, they're going to fail to mention the failure rate, the study involved, the emotional battle, and even the basics of money management. You must use your own common sense and intuition when reading anything online about trading. And while some people will blog for a hobby, most trading information is presented for one goal, and that's for the writer or the site owner to make money off of you. With NetPicks, we will write about our trading system, sure, but in the trading blog, the majority of writings, such as the one you're reading or watching now, they're written with the intent of helping you better yourself. Believe me, there is gratification in knowing that someone has benefited from their writings. Becoming successful in trading, it's hard, not so much because of the trading method, but because of the complexity of you. It's not to the benefit of any online review sites and their owners to let you in on that truth. Now, one thing about NetPicks, you will find very little hype in the webinars or the product marketing. In truth, Mark Soberman from NetPicks, the owner, once said to me that staying away from promising the moon may cost in sales, but is the only way that he wants to run this side of the business. Now, I'm just paraphrasing there. We just wish that others would conduct themselves the same way. All the marketing that promised riches, it's left a bad taste in the mouth of many. So much so that reputable companies with solid systems and solid trading education suffer because of the greed of many. So take what you read on the review sites with a grain of salt, as it's the only way you will be able to find that needle in the haystack.